Okay, I want to show you how to use the leaflet package. It's really fairly easy to get into, and it's one of the easier ways to make maps in R. And first you have to, of course, get the package installed. And I've got the two installation statements that you need to do this thing here, and I've commented them out because you can't have an install in a knitted document. Okay, so after you've got the packages installed, you have, of course, have to load them with the library command. And the first thing I'm going to do is just locate my house. So I've got my longitude and my latitude. And there's the code, leaflet, then the McGritter pipe, then add tiles, and then the McGritter pipe, and then add markers, my long, comma, my lat, comma, pipe, pop-up equal is simply a coded string, my house. And there we are. And you can notice that this is an interactive map. You can zoom in, or you can zoom out. Zoom out. You get an idea of where my place is. Okay, so let's go on. And this is an annoying thing. When you're trying to scroll down in a document, since I've got my hand over here, or my cursor effectively, in this thing, when I scroll, I'm scrolling the leaflet map. I go over here, and when I scroll, I'm scrolling through the document. Okay, so now I'm going to use the mylokes file, which I've asked you to put one together. So my map is mylokes, and then the McGritter pipe after mylokes. What you're doing is feeding mylokes into leaflet. You could also start this out by just saying leaflet and then putting the mylokes in parentheses. Okay, and add tiles and add markers, and this time the pop-up is tilde ID. The tilde is a syntactical requirement before the variable name in the thing in the mylokes file. Okay, and now you see all of the places that I've identified. There's my home, Tom's home, Damien's home, and Gert Nev's house, where I grew up. Okay, so what do I want to do next? There's a whole bunch of potential providers, long list that you could read about, and I put a link to the list here so you can take a look and try a few. And I'm just picking a few options to demonstrate how you do this. The big difference is that instead of add tiles, it's add provider tiles, and then in quoted as a quoted string, you need the name of the provider that you're working with. So this first one is Stammen. Gives you a map with a slightly different look. Then I did CartoDB. Yeah, it gives kind of a washed out look. I don't think I like that very much. And then there's Esri. Okay. So you're going to basically, you have an assignment and you're just going to duplicate this effort with your mylokes file. And I'm not giving you the hard copy. You're going to have to actually look at this and type it. Yeah, typing is active learning. Okay? Okay, enough of this.